Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your iPad unlocked, so open Settings now and head straight to Battery in the left column. You do this because low power mode is controlled system-wide, not per app. Once in Battery, glance at the battery percentage and the low power mode toggle so you know the current state. Make sure to have Face ID or passcode ready in case Settings prompts for authentication. This speeds the process and prevents accidental exits while you make the change. Tap low power mode and flip the toggle to off. You'll see it go from green to gray, indicating normal power behavior returns. You do this to restore background activity, app refresh, and full performance. Low power limits these. If you use Control Center or an automation that toggles it, disable those automations so it stays off. Once done, watch the battery percentage stabilize and background app refresh resume. This confirms the change took effect. After turning low power mode off, restart the iPad if the toggle reverts. Power cycling clears temporary glitches. You do this because transient software issues often cause incorrect battery behavior. If problems persist, check Settings General Software Update. Install updates that address battery or system bugs. As a final step only, use Transfer or Reset all settings to preserve data while clearing configuration errors. If none of this works, visit Apple support or an authorized service provider for a battery health check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.